Good day, folks. Welcome to Daisley's Refrigeration, Beverage and Kitchen Equipment Services. We got a call out today on a walk-in cooler. Customer complained that two of his fan motors on the evaporator wasn't working. Okay, so we took down our side panel. We're gonna check for voltage, power coming to our fans at F1 and F2 to see if the fans are getting power. Yes, we're getting power to the fans, but our fans aren't spinning, so we have to drop our drain pan. Let's check for power to the fans that aren't spinning. We have 0 voltage, so seems the wire have a break on it. We're gonna check here now to see if we get ohms resistance off of these wires. Set our meter here to tune. Hook up one of our probe onto one side of the wire and check back on the terminal board. We have no tune. Switch to the next wire, no tune there either. So what that tells us here is our evaporator fan motor circuit is open for the first and second fan. So what I'm gonna do is just condemn these wires, because you have all these screw connectors here in this harsh environment. We take them out and we'll run back fresh rhino wire back onto the terminal board to have these fans up and running. But really, just look at the screw connector in such an environment. Look at it. So these wires, when moisture get in there, it's not gonna corrode and lose its resistance. So let's take this out, place some fresh wire there. So we're gonna just use some 1.5 3-core rhino wire. Well, we don't need the ground, so we just use 2 wires, crimp them on, and connect it direct back to the terminal board here. Yeah, so here's the finishing product. Everything nice, strapped up above the drain pan, so nothing is getting down into the water. Remove all screw connectors. Get rid of those stuff, man. Waste of time. Yeah, so we place some heat shrink over the wires, proper insulation, keep the moisture out from getting in there and creating corrosion. So everything is up and running. Look at our fans blowing full throttle. We blowing cold. 2971971. Daisley's Refrigeration. Give us a call. Get your breeze cold.